This video walks you through how to connect Google Docs with make.com. Start by signing in to make.com. From your dashboard, create a new scenario if you are starting from scratch, or open an existing scenario if you want to add Google Docs to a workflow that is already in place. Once the scenario editor is open, you will be ready to add the app connection. Click the plus button inside the scenario to add a module. In the search field, type Google Docs, then choose Google Docs from the results. After that, select the specific module you want to use. The exact module can vary depending on what action you plan to run in the scenario, but the connection process begins the same way from the module settings. Inside the Google Docs module, find the connection field and click Add. This opens the connection setup window. You will see a field for the connection name. Enter a name that will help you recognize this Google Docs connection later, especially if you plan to connect more than one Google account or use several app connections in the same make.com workspace. After naming the connection, click Sign In with Google. A Google Sign In window will open. Choose the Google account you want to connect to make.com. If you are signed in to more than one account in your browser, take a moment here to make sure you select the correct one before moving ahead. Once you choose the account, Google will show the permission request screen. Review the permissions make.com is requesting so it can access your Google Docs. When you are ready to continue, click Allow. This authorizes make.com to use the selected Google account for the Google Docs module you are setting up. After authorization is complete, the window will close and return you to make.com. The new Google Docs connection should be created automatically and selected in the module. At this point, the module is connected and ready to use within the scenario. If the connection name appears in the connection field, that confirms the link has been added successfully. To verify that everything is working, click Run once in the scenario editor. This performs a test run and checks that make.com can access the connected Google Docs account through the module. If the test completes without a connection issue, click Save to keep your scenario changes. The final step is to switch the scenario on. This enables the scenario so it can run using the Google Docs connection you just added. If you opened an existing scenario, turning it on applies the updated connection. If you created a new one, turning it on makes the scenario active for future runs. Your Google Docs account is now connected to make.com and selected in your scenario.